I'm feeling like, oh God, like I have all these goals and I'm just not there yet, I will just bust out my journal and I'll start writing down all of the wins. Like I literally just write like hashtag wins at the top of my journal page, and I just start brain dumping all of the things that I'm proud of, that I have accomplished. When I get into that brain dump mode and I just start like flowing and letting the things come out, I'll write like 3 pages of wins and like things that I'm really proud of. And, you know, and then I'm like, wow, I'm actually like super accomplished for where I am right now. I'm actually further ahead in my life than I thought I would be. You know, like when I was getting divorced like 3.5 years ago, like right now, my current lifestyle was only a dream at that point. And it was something that felt really unattainable. And I didn't know if I would be able to do it. And where I am right now, I've actually accomplished like way more in a short amount of time than I thought I would. And so also just like reminding myself of that is really helpful in just being like, it's okay. Like there is no such thing as behind, okay? Like you are where you are. All we ever have in life is this moment.